Hi everyone. In previous class we learned about the VI characteristics of semiconductor diode. So now we are going to see the VI characteristics of an ideal diode. Okay. So first of all we know the ideal versus practical diode. Till now we saw about the practical diode. Okay, VI characteristics of practical diode. Now we are going to see the VI characteristics of ideal diode. Okay, consider the practical diode. So for practical diode, in under the forward bias condition, so the diode like this. Okay, so here it is a positive. So VD, if we consider the VD, so plus to minus is flown over here, and for the reverse bias condition, so the diode diagram is look like this one. Okay, so the positive terminal is there. Okay, so this is a plus minus P and N. So VD is connected to positive terminal of P material, and negative terminal of semiconductor is connected to the N type material. Okay, so under the forward bias condition, so there is a flow of current. That current we call as a diode current ID. So this current is due to majority carriers minus reverse saturation current. Okay, and so for the reverse bias condition, so this is a positive and this is a P type and N type. So VD is given the diode voltage, and this is a negative and this is a positive. So under the reverse bias condition there is a flow of current. That current is nothing but a reverse saturation current. This is due to the minority carriers, fixed minus minority carriers. So this current we also call as a reverse saturation current or leakage current. Okay, and under this the resistance, if ID is current flows in this diode, so there is a large amount of current is flows. Okay, so if we applied the VD to this forward bias condition, so there is a flow of current due to the majority carrier, so there is a large amount of current flows here. So if the current is flows higher, means RD value is less. By Ohm's law we know that if the resistance is less, then the current flows under the circuit is more. Okay, so there is a very less resistance present in the PN junction diode. Okay, so for this reverse bias condition, the RD is considered as very high value, very high, because if the resistance is high, then only the current inside this PN junction diode is very less. Okay, so the reverse saturation current is very less amount in the range of microamps. Okay, if there is this if the current is in the range of microamps, so there is a small amount of current flows inside this PN junction diode, so there is a resistance present over here, so that resistance inside this PN junction diode is very high under the practical diode. Okay, for the practical diode we consider as a RD. For RD is very less value, and the RD for the reverse bias condition we consider as a very high value. Okay, and now we go for the ideal diode. Ideal diode, so under the ideal diode condition, the RD value is considered as nearly equals to 0. Okay, because there is a large amount of current flows over here. For the ideal diode we consider as a resistance value is nearly equals to 0. By Ohm's law we know that the VD is equals to ID into RD. So if VD is equals to RD is equals to 0, then VD gets value as a 0. Okay, so there is a high amount of current flows over here. Okay, if you consider the ID to this one, nothing but a VD by RD. So VD is something by 0, it gives us a nearly equals to infinity. So there is a large amount of current flows inside this circuit under the forward bias conditions. So for the ideal diode, we consider the RD as a nearly equals to 0 and the VD is equals to 0. Okay, for an ideal diode under the reverse bias condition, we consider as a RD is nearly equals to infinity. Okay, if RD is equals to nearly equals to infinity, so by using the Ohm's law we know that ID is equals to VD by RD. Okay, so if RD is infinity, VD by infinity is equals to ID, something by infinity gives rise to a 0 value. So the current flows inside this circuit under the reverse bias condition is 0. Okay, so for ideal diode, the RD is nearly considered as 0 value, and for the reverse bias condition we consider the resistance as a infinity. Okay, the resistance across this diode is infinity for ideal diode. For practical diode we consider as a very high value. Okay, for the forward bias condition, the RD is nearly equals to 0. So this is the resistance across the diode. Okay, so for practical diode we consider as a very less value. Okay, so we consider the VI character